Morning po, sir. Welcome to the Grand Palace Hotel. How can I help you?
Payment under Lorian po?
Okay po, sir. Check ko po. Would you like to pay cash or card po?
Card po.
For full payment po?
No po, I'll pay the full balance at the check-out po.
Okay po, sir. Pa-swipe na lang po. Payment received po, sir. Here's your room card po at the third floor, room 123. A bellboy will assist you for your luggages advance. Thank you po. Have a nice day.
Good morning po, ma'am and sir. Ako na po sa luggage nyo. May I see your room number, please? Okay po, this way.
Wow, ganda!
This is your bag po, ma'am.
Thank you po.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just contact us around the office or guest services. Enjoy your stay, ma'am. Thank you.
Tatawagin ko muna ang guest services para sa oras ng break.
Sounds good.
Good afternoon, guest services speaking. How may I help you?
Yes, good afternoon. Good morning po. I-ask na po ang mas po ang breakfast.
Sure po, ma'am. Just give me a second, please. So, the breakfast starts at 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. po at the ground floor in our restaurant. Is there anything else?
Pwede po pa-request po na isang kilo.
Sure po, ma'am. I'll just inform the housekeeping. Ma'am, can you please make sure that what's your room number again?
Our room is 123 po.
Okay po, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you po.
Housekeeping.
Yes po, ma'am.
Pasuyo po ng isang kilo sa room number 123 po. Thank you.
Okay po. Ang gawin na po.
Coming po.
Is there anything else we can help you with? Wala na po. Thank you po. Thank you po, ma'am. Hello, bellboy. Can you go to room 123? They're about to check out.
Yes po, ma'am. On the way na po.
Morning po, yes po.
I'm here to check out po.
Can I ask your room card?
Of course.
Please wait for a while with the call housekeeping. Hello po, housekeeping. Is everything good in room 123? Yes po, ma'am. Great number. Okay po, thank you. Since you still have remaining balance, please proceed to the next counter for payment. Thank you.
Good morning po, ma'am. How can I help you?
Payment po under Mr. Darion.
Okay po, ma'am. Let me check first. So, ma'am, your total balance po is 2,500. Would you like to pay cash or card po?
Card po.
Okay po, ma'am. Pa-swipe na lang. Payment receive po, ma'am. Thank you for staying at the Grand Palace Hotel. We hope you enjoyed your stay po. Thank you po. Come again, sir.
Thank you, Mama, sir.
Uy, anong oras na pala? Oo nga, tsaka ka lang bibigay. Oy. Thank you po. Yes, finally, tapos na.
Yes! Another successful day at the Grand Palace Hotel.